Most people don't change their life with one big decision. They change it with tiny upgrades repeated every day. One makes your morning easier. One protects your focus. One helps you save money. And one can change the way you see yourself. Here are 25 tiny upgrades your future self will thank you for. 1. Stop hitting snooze. Your first alarm is your first test of the day. Don't lose it before the day even starts. 2. Drink water. First before coffee, before scrolling, drink water. Your body has been waiting all night. 3. Make your bed. It looks small, but it gives your brain one quick win before everything gets busy. 4. Get morning sunlight. A few minutes of sunlight helps your body wake up now and sleep better later. 5. Write your top 3 priorities. Don't chase 20 things. Pick 3 that would actually make the day feel successful. 6. Turn off unnecessary notifications. Every notification steals a little focus. Remove the ones that don't deserve your attention. 7. Clean one small area. Not the whole room, just one corner. Small order creates a calmer mind. 8. Take a 10-minute walk. When your brain feels stuck, move your body. A short walk can reset your whole mood. 9. Stretch for 1 minute. You don't need a perfect routine. 1 minute can still make your body feel less stiff. 10. Keep water nearby. If water is always close, staying hydrated becomes almost automatic. 11. Eat one piece of fruit. Healthy habits don't have to look dramatic. One simple choice still counts. 12. Put your phone away. During meals, taste your food. Notice people. One meal without scrolling can feel surprisingly peaceful. 13. Read 5 pages. 5 pages won't feel like much today, but repeated daily, they turn into real knowledge. 14. Learn one new word. 1 word a day slowly changes how clearly and confidently you express yourself. 15. Keep a small notebook. Good ideas appear at random times. Don't trust your memory to catch all of them. 16. Save a little money. Every week, the amount can be small. The real upgrade is proving you can keep money. 17. Unfollow accounts that make you feel worse. Your feed is not harmless. It trains what you compare, desire, and believe. 18. Put your phone away before bed. Your sleep does not need one more video. Give your brain time to slow down. 19. Spend 5 minutes outside. Fresh air and natural light can change your mood faster than you expect. 20. Take 3 deep breaths. Before reacting, a pause can protect you from words you would regret 10 minutes later. 21. Listen more than you speak. People notice when you truly listen. It makes them feel seen, not just heard. 22. Say thank you more often. Gratitude costs nothing, but it makes your relationships feel warmer and stronger. 23. Compliment someone. A small compliment can stay with someone longer than you think. 24. Celebrate small wins. If you ignore small progress, you'll always feel behind. Notice what you're doing right. 25. Be kinder to yourself. The voice in your head follows you everywhere. Make sure it is helping you, not breaking you. You don't need to start all 25 today. Pick one. Make it easy. Repeat it until it feels normal. Then add another. That's how life actually changes. Not from one perfect routine, but from tiny upgrades done long enough to become who you are.